Hi everyone, my name is Orest, I'm from Sherwin Nissan, and I'm so excited today to present you a 2024 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. Now let me go over some of my favorite features about the Pathfinder. Platinum trim offers premium material including semi-aligned leather appointed seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, providing a high-end feel. It comes with a 12.3-inch digital dashboard, a 9-inch touchscreen display with navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad. The Pathfinder Platinum is equipped with Nissan Safety Shield 360, which includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning and high beam assist, and more. It offers 3 rows of seating with ample of legroom, a panoramic moonroof, climate-controlled front seats, ensuring comfort for all passengers on long journeys. Pathfinder offers an ample of cargo space and a hands-free liftgate. And that is a wrap for this review, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to get more details on the Pathfinder or go for a quick test drive, my name is Orest, and I'm at Sherwin Nissan. I'll see you soon.